This is so good. Just encourage anybody I know to get into juicing because the benefits really is enormous. Don't only think about losing weight, think about the benefits that it will do for your body. This has by far been one of the best decisions I've made this year, deciding to wake up early and changing my morning routine completely. I wake up most mornings at 5 and it doesn't only give me more time to exercise and less of an excuse for the lack of time, it really has helped my stress levels because I can wake up, meditate, spend some time by myself before the whole house wakes up, and there is a direct link with your stress levels and weight gain. And just to think that you achieve half of your fitness goals in the day by 10 a.m. So this is a small difference that will make a massive impact. Why didn't anybody tell me that to get a workout program is one of the best ways to achieve results? Well, if you can afford this, get yourself a PT or get on a workout program which is tailored for you and you can see benefits, because honestly, you run the risk of going into the gym and not knowing what to do, what not to do, and you spend your time on the things that will not really benefit your goals. I am a very big advocate for fasting. I intermittent fast almost every day, so as a rule, irrespective of if I go to the gym or not, I make sure that I eat within a 5 or 4 hours window. You can spread it to 8, 16, but it helps to reduce how quickly your insulin levels get spiked, and it gets you into the fat burning phase quicker, and it just helps generally my bloating, my IBS, and my overall health to eat within a window, and it reduces my snack time. And with that, I make sure that I eat healthy, so I don't only intermittent fast. Because I've been training a lot more, I have meals rich in protein. I consider that when I'm meal planning or meal prepping, because it would help with my body composition from burning fat to building muscle. And honestly, just bearing this in mind, things that I eat recently has made a massive impact. I don't really advocate for people to count calories. That's why I prefer to eat within a window, because it restricts how much I can actually eat. And be careful with your sauces and salt. I just put some hot sauce, but I'm aware that this is my first meal and I aim to eat to a point that I'm fully satiated so that I don't feel like I need to snack a lot. But if you're not used to eyeballing your quantities, then you might want to count your calories. Hello guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start the week with juicing. I'm doing 3 juices today to lower cholesterol, to lower blood pressure, as well as to detox your body. So I think I'll show you once I've prepped the juices. Yep. I fell in love with juicing a few months ago when I realized the benefits it does. I recommend that you have a freshly prepared juices that will help to kickstart your metabolism, help your immune system, help to detox, and help digestion. So I'm preparing 3 juices today, which is something I do once a month. I do a bulk juice and I have a shot a day. I am doing 1 to lower cholesterol, 1 to lower blood pressure, and 1 to help with your digestion and detox. So I'll show you guys what I mix together and exactly how it's helped me to not only achieve my weight loss goals, but to get to the best and healthiest version of myself. Let's start with the first juice, which is to lower cholesterol. And I'm using carrots, some lime and ginger. A recent study showed that ginger can lower your total cholesterol and your triglycerides level, which will reduce your cholesterol levels and boost your HDL cholesterol. For carrots, they are naturally loaded with minerals, vitamins, and soluble fiber and antioxidants, which will ultimately help your cholesterol levels as well. And add lime for vitamin C and to give you that kick. So this was the first juice I did. The next juice is what I consider a powerhouse. It is a pineapple, cucumber, and apples. Ignore the ginger. I always put ginger in my juices. But what this does is pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which aids in digestion and it helps to reduce inflammation in the colon. So this is a colon cleansing juice, which will ultimately help with detoxifying and digestion. And cucumber really is very hydrating. It's made up of mainly water and it will help your bowel to work healthy and promote healthy movements, which will act as a natural diuretic to flush out toxins. To get the best results, have this in an empty stomach to kickstart your digestive system and aim for at least 8 ounces consistently to get the full benefits. The next juice is to boost your immune system. It's an immune support juice as well as a fat burning one. It's mainly made up of oranges, some lemon, pineapple, and again, ginger. You guessed right. Pineapple and oranges both contain a lot of fiber, water, and vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and keeps you hydrated. They also have a lot of vitamin A, K, calcium, iron, and folate. The benefits are immense when it comes to your immune system, as well as when it comes to anti-inflammation. It would help if you've been going to the gym. It could help with your body healing quicker because of the ginger. And pineapple and ginger has been proven that it could help to facilitate fat burning and cleanse your tummy, which could lead to a quicker loss of belly fat. So this is a good way to include not only the right raw vegetables and fruits, but it could have very good benefits when it comes to losing weight. And I did this, all of my juices were done. It was just time to package them and keep them in the fridge and freezer. In the fridge, it will last for about 3 to 4 days. If you use breakable bottles, it would help last longer because of oxygenation. Otherwise, the plastic bottles can go into the freezer and that could last for up to a week or 2. Just take it out, shake it, and it's all yours. The relief once I finished juicing, amazing, and it tasted so good. Pineapple, oranges, and lemon immune support booster. It's packed with vitamin C, which obviously helps to boost your immune system. It could help to trigger weight loss, and it's just a refreshing drink in the morning or at any time of the day. So this is the ginger, carrots, and lime. The taste is really strong because I put a lot of ginger. The carrots gives it the sweet taste and the lime makes it tangy. This is very good for your skin, digestion, and detox juice. It tastes again so good. All of this would help with your digestion. If you suffer from bloating, it'll help to if you drink it in the morning, it'll definitely help that. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. I've come to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. This is so good. I always encourage anybody I know to get into juicing because the benefits really is enormous. Don't only think about losing weight, think about the benefits that it will do for your body, detox, and the many other nutrients that you get apart from just weight loss, just your skin, your bowel activity, and many other things. Anyway, this video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like, consider subscribing, and check our other videos out. Thank you. Bye.